Emira Remedies. Yeah. Tell us about your product at the Saligaon, made in Saligaon market.
Uh, I have a lot of homemade natural products.
Yeah.
Started with soaps initially, but then gradually I introduced a lot of other
A little
natural
louder.
products in the
Yeah, yeah.
on the scene. So I have natural lip balms, I have shampoo bars, body talcs, and wax. I also started doing a lot of work with wax. Started with jar
Yeah.
candles, where I use again natural wax, that's beeswax and soy wax. I don't do paraffin wax candles. So then I also started with wax scent tablets,
Yeah.
which people use instead of the naphthalene balls.
Yeah.
So then I bought other products like tea lights, and I've got solid perfume bars, and I've got like bath salt, sugar scrubs. Lip
What a range,
scrubs.
what a range. Wide range. Very wide range.
Yeah.
But your soaps are very pretty, no?
Soaps are pretty, and
Can you show us? Just
people,
close up.
people use this, for like takeaways. Like I made this for
I
a
see.
birthday. It
I
was a
see.
sun and a moon and a star.
I
theme.
see.
Then I have these cute macaroons that people put it as takeaways for their birthday
I see.
parties.
I see.
Then whatever theme, like the fruit theme,
I
you
see.
just try
Oh,
out
wow.
different things. Then have these shell theme. Then I have these for christening and all. People give these takeaways.
Oh, wow.
for-
This is beautiful, huh?
Yeah, that's like a baby.
My
I have
goodness.
another one also.
Oh, gosh.
Then they have these sugar scrub cubes, which are like for hands, washing your hands.
Yeah.
Then these are the
Why sugar
wax.
scrub?
Mainly for like a exfoliating effect.
I see.
Just gentle exfoliation.
I see, I
That's-
see.
That's all. And it adds up to like a very cute takeaway, or like just to gift it to someone, or
I
just
see.
keep it in your
Very nice.
bathroom.
Very nice.
Then I have these foot salves, I have these hand creams. I
Yeah.
also make these hampers, like for people they're
Oh,
just
wow.
looking for a last minute option to gift someone.
I see. Fascinating.
Quite a lot. Started with soaps initially, but
How long did it take you to get into this?
For almost a year, I was only into soaps. Then gradually, like you can say, like about 2 years, I'm into this.
Wow. 2 years. So, what's the toughest part about the soaps?
Yeah, the greatest challenge is to avoid the sweating on the soap, which is unavoidable in the rains. So
High humidity in
yeah,
Goa.
high humidity is, and it leads to sweating.
I see.
So
Sweating
because
of the soap?
Of the soap, because of the glycerin content in the soap. So
Because of the
glycerin.
glycerin,
content.
okay.
So it's like a humectant. It absorbs moisture from the air.
I
So
see.
if you leave it open, then it forms like a layer. But there's no harm in using it. That's the only challenging part. So in the rains, usually I don't really do much of soaps, but the other products
I see.
are. But
Interesting.
then the regulars are always, they're aware of it, so they don't really mind picking up soaps. At
I
that
see.
time.
I
That's
see.
not really much of a problem.
Is it possible to market this online?
Uh, yes, but there are a lot of obstacles.
I
You've got
see.
to do a lot of registration work.
Oh, gosh.
So that's the main reason. I'm a little hesitant right now.
I see.
So currently, this is working.
What's the
out great.
response like?
In the market?
Do people appreciate it sufficiently?
Yes. Very good feedback. And
Some foreigners have tried this, no, at the night market and things like that.
Yes.
Where did you get the idea first from?
To make soaps.
Yeah,
Uh,
you have young
I-
kids. You have young kids.
Yeah. And I used to buy natural soaps
I see.
from my other friends. So then I decided, why not try it out?
You've gone extremely deep into it, I must say.
Totally
Very
into
nice.
it.
Very nice. What's the next step?
Have to add up more products. That's because it's becoming. There's a lot of competition now. Everyone's getting into soap making.
I see.
So
In Goa, there is a lot of that. No, someone
Yeah.
starts and everyone follows up. So
and in the lockdown, basically, a lot of people got into it
I
because
see.
they're sitting at home. Like, how do we
Yeah,
make
yeah,
convenience?
yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah,
maybe probably kind of motivated them to
Yeah.
learn something.
Yeah.
So then that's the reason why I started adding up more products to my list. So then these are things which you don't really get very easily.
yeah, professionally you are
I'm a lawyer.
very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much.